Hello everyone, how are you? Redfern here once again. So today I want to talk to you about why Onpassive is not an MLM. So before I go into why Onpassive is not an MLM, let's just look at what an MLM is. I mean, many of us have been associated with various forms of MLM companies in the past. So this video here is to basically point out to you why Onpassive is so different from what you normally expect and why we are completely not associated with any type of MLM. So I actually looked up on Wikipedia and Google what an MLM is, and it came up with this. It is a strategy some direct sales company use to encourage distributors to recruit new distributors who are then paid a percentage of their recruits' sales. In MLM, the compensation plan is usually pays out to participants from two potential revenue streams: sales on the products of the MLM company, but more importantly, a percentage of the new recruits. And this is normally the larger amount. So people are actively encouraged to recruit to make their money via levels, bonuses, etc., etc. So this then moves me on to why Onpassive is not an MLM. With Onpassive, remember, we are told from day one, everything is 100% done for you. This means you do not have to recruit to make a residual income with Onpassive, because the company are going to do it for us. We are physically paying the company to do all the recruiting, to do all the sales, to do all the closing of their products and services. So you do not actually have to recruit to make a passive income with Onpassive. And the other thing as well is majority of the money that you will get is via commissions. This is from the sale of the products and services of Onpassive. So we are getting the majority of our money from the sale of products, not from the recruits. Okay, so this is putting us so far apart from MLM just on that one point. Also, the compensation plan, how we get paid, is revolutionary with Onpassive. It's not a binary, it's not a uni-level, it's not levels, it is something completely new, and this again sets us apart from what MLM companies normally pay out. Also with Onpassive, any monies that are owed to you as a founder or reseller, okay, stay in your wallet. They don't disappear, they don't move up, they are yours. So people are not encouraged to build big teams. People are not encouraged to recruit to make their residual income, because the company are going to do it all for us. So people, please, when you are looking at Onpassive, you need to look at what we are going to do for you. We are going to set up a domain name and website for you, and via that website and domain name, Onpassive will advertise on your behalf all of the products and services of Onpassive. And in return, when a customer clicks on your link, you will get a small commission. This falls into your wallet, okay, and then you can withdraw it whenever you like. Again, there is no qualification periods, there is no timelines or anything to do with Onpassive. Like other companies, you have to hit targets before you can withdraw, etc. Even if you do not withdraw that money, it's not going to go anywhere, it's yours. With other MLM companies, if you don't withdraw it or you don't hit your targets, you don't get it and you end up losing it. The other thing to remember is that we are a customer-based business right at this moment in time, and today is the 21st of August 2021. Okay, we are actively looking for founders to partner us in this endeavor with Onpassive. But when we come to that excuse me, when we come to that main launch date, we are actively looking for customers and resellers because we are a customer-based business. We are going out there into the internet world looking for customers to purchase our products and services. Yes, there will be free parts to it, but in essence, we are going to be selling our digital products and services. So I hope that has gone some way to give you an idea of why Onpassive is not an MLM. We are not associated with any MLM companies, and we have nothing to do with MLM at all. We are completely legal, compliant and legitimate in to operate anywhere on the globe at the moment. Okay, we have been vetted by the US government and legal departments, and everything is completely above board. This is the beauty about Onpassive. Any money that you earn through Onpassive, you know it is legal, legitimate and above board. How cool is that? Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching this short explanatory video on why Onpassive is not an MLM. If you want to look at Onpassive and see what it could do for you as either a founder or reseller, just in the bio underneath here, there is a link and that will take you to a bit of an explanation of what Onpassive is going to do for you. If you're watching this on YouTube, just below here, there's a thumb like that. That's the like button. And also, guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, why not? Get and click that button and then you'll be notified whenever I do any more new videos. Anyway, guys, that's it for me on this session. Please view any of my other videos on there. I try and keep them under 10 minutes just to give you all that information in one short burst. Thanks very much, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.